Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be looking at the trades that we took this week. It's been a long time since it was just a busy week, so I didn't find a lot of time to trade. So this is the only time that I'm able to get on my screen. So first looking at remember I was 2.7% up on the account, and then now supposed to be trading 1% per trade. So this is the first trade that I took. It was a Bitcoin US dollar trade. On this trade, the limiting factor here was the margin. The margin required to trade crypto is very high, so I couldn't place a full 1% trade risk. So instead of putting that, this was the initial trade, this was the idea. So as you can see, the trade played out well. And then how I got to this trade was looking at the 1 day time frame. Let's see, looking at this time frame here, and then I could see that we have a market that's uptrending from there. This has just been a very aggressive uptrend, so I was hoping for something like this touch here and then I move to the upside. So this was basically the idea. So saw this level here, and then I jumped down to the 30 minutes. I jumped down to the 30 minutes, and then on the 30 minutes, this is what I was looking at. I was basically eyeing this zone here, this lower zone there, and then once the market came down to this zone, you can see this aggressive push up. So when I saw this aggressive form the newer low and then close on the high, so I put a pending order, then I got triggered in, and the market went to the upside. So here, when I realized that I couldn't risk full 1%, I decided to take my take profit to a 1 to 6, because you know crypto is very volatile. It's very crazy. You can get crazy moves here. So I was like, let me take my chances. This was uninformed. Let me take my chances. Let me go for a 1 to 6. So the market failed to make new highs. Then when I saw that, I moved my stop loss right to this point. So now the market is close to my stop loss, and if the trade goes down, then this will be a loser. And then another trade that I took was this one on the US dollar pound. As you can see, we have this strong downtrend, move up, then we start to change character. But then when the market got here, I think on the 4-hour time frame, there was this level here, and then on this level my expectation was that we're gonna come here and then have a drop maybe to this previous lows down here. But unfortunately that never happened. So this, I took a loss on this trade. And what was actually pretty crazy was that when the market did that, you can see it just nipped me out, and then I think on my MT5, this, I even got taken out by the spread, because my stop loss was more like here. I got taken out by the spreads, just nipped me out and continued to the downside. So that, I took a loss on that trade. And then the last trade that I took for the week was this New Zealand dollar, New Zealand $2 trade, and then the analysis was pretty much similar to the one on the dollar, on the pound dollar trade. I was eyeing this level here. You can see it's a very clean level, and then from this level here I'm expecting at least a move down here. I just took the trade now, and as you can see, I just got taken out. Now I just got taken out. So the market is continuing lower. So yeah, those were my trades that I took for the week. If we can go to my MT5. So this is the situation right here on my MT5. As you can see, I have this trade running. Is the Bitcoin trade. If I can go onto the chart, let's look at Bitcoin. You can see, where did I take the trade? Let me just go to the, no, maybe the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, as you can see, this is where I made the entry on the trade. I made the entry here. This is the move that was supposed to hit my take profit, but I moved my stop loss up there. So now it looks like there's a likelihood that I might get taken out on this trade. So we'll just wait and see how the market plays out. So by then I moved my stop loss to break even. So yeah, so on the week you can see this is the pound trade. This is the New Zealand dollar trade that I got both stopped out. So yeah, let's see how the week plays out. Sharp.